In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import leads in Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to look for, so your lead list lands in the right place with the right details. Before we start, a quick tip. Make sure you have permission to import data in your CRM and have your lead list ready in a clean spreadsheet, ideally as a CSV or XLSX with the clear column headers like first name, last name, company, email, and phone. Start by opening your browser and signing in to Zoho CRM. Once you're on the home dashboard, give the page a moment to fully load so all modules appear. If your organization uses a custom theme or layout, the icons might look a little different, but the process is the same. Next, head to the Leads module. You'll find it in the main navigation bar at the top. Click Leads to open your leads list view. This is your hub for everything related to prospects. Take note of any filters at the top of the list. They won't affect the import, but knowing what view you're in helps you find your new records later. Inside the Leads list view, look for the More menu. It's usually represented by a three-dot icon or a drop-down labeled More near the top right of the list. Click it to expand additional actions related to leads. If your screen is small or your browser is zoomed in, you may need to scroll horizontally or collapse side panels to see it. From the More menu, choose Import Leads. This opens Zoho CRM's import tool. Here's what to expect. You'll be prompted to upload your file and confirm the file type. The tool will then show a field mapping screen where each column from your spreadsheet is matched to a lead field in CRM. Take your time here. This is where accuracy matters. Ensure emails map to the email field, company names map to the company field, and so on. If you see any unmapped columns you don't need, you can leave them unmapped. You'll also see options for handling duplicates, often using fields like email to check if a lead already exists. Choose whether to create new records only or update existing ones if a match is found. When everything looks good, proceed with the import. The system will process your file and show a summary with successes and any rows that need attention. If any records are skipped, review the notes to fix formatting or missing required fields, then try again with those rows. Once complete, return to your leads list and refresh. Your imported leads should now appear, ready for follow-up and nurturing. And that's it. Quick, precise, and organized.